serving the Dallas-Fort Worth. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southwestern Wise County in north-central Texas, Southeastern Jack County in north-central Texas, Briar County in north-central Texas, Northeastern Palo Pinto County in north-central Texas, until 9:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:21 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles south of Graford, or 11 miles west of Mineral Wells, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Weatherford, Mineral Wells, Azle, Briar, Willow Park, Reno, Aledo, Springtown, Hudson Oaks, Annetta, Boyd, Graford, Poolville, Cottondale, Mineral Wells State Park, Annetta South, Annetta North, Millsap and Sanctuary. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning can kill. You're listening to NOAA All Hazards Radio, the voice of the National